The J-Tips Saucony Grid Shadow 2 from the What's the Occasion pack in the brown Wear to a Party colorway was an underrated collaboration from 2023. J-Tips and Saucony have a very successful collaboration. His first collaboration with Saucony was on the Saucony Grid Azuta 2000 and it was named the Remember Who Fronted colorway. That sneaker is now fetching between 400 to 700 on the resale market, but we'll get into that shoe a little bit later. Later in December, J-Tips and Saucony teamed up again for another pack. This pack is known as the What's the Occasion. J-Tips released two pairs of sneakers, the one I have in my hand and a blue pair known as the Wear to a Date colorway. This whole pack was derived from the concept of multi-wear versatility, the ability to take a sneaker and to wear it to multiple occasions. This whole pack is centered around the idea of getting dressed with the intention of brightening up the world. And I say this collaboration is underrated because J-Tips' collaborations with Saucony is on the more if you know level. Like, yeah, the sneaker is popular, but it's popular among a certain group of people. Like, I'm pretty sure all sneakerheads don't even know about this collaboration.